Here are three sums. Add them in your head as they appear. 9 plus 6, 98 plus 47, and a whole column of 6 numbers, all crowding near 20. Go at them head-on, and you're counting on fingers, carrying digits, and losing your place halfway down the column. But look closer. 9 is almost 10. 98 is almost 100. Every messy number here is sitting right next to an easy, round 1. Reach for that round number, and the hard sum turns into a simple one plus a small fix. Here's the whole move. Take the hard number and round it up to a friendly 10 or 100. Do that easy sum in one step, then adjust back by the exact little bit you added on. One clean calculation, one small correction, and you're done. Start small so the shape is clear. 9 plus 6. Nudge that 9 up to 10. 10 is one more than 9, so make a mental note of that extra one. 10 plus 6 is 16. Now hand the extra one straight back. 16 minus 1 is 15. And it doesn't matter how big the partner is. 9 plus 48. Same move, 10 plus 48 is 58. Then give 1 back for 57. Notice you never carried a digit or counted on your fingers. You rounded to 10 and adjusted. That's the whole trick, just on small numbers. Now stretch it to a bigger base. 98 plus 47. 98 is sitting right below 100. It's too short, so bump it up to 100 and keep that 2 in mind. 100 plus 47 is 147, an easy sum with no carrying. You added 2 too many when you rounded, so take those 2 off. 147 minus 2 is 145. Try 98 plus 67 the very same way. 100 plus 67 is 167, minus 2, 165. Sometimes the correction comes from the other number instead. Take 96 plus 15. 96 is hungry for 4 more to reach around 100, so split the 15 into 4 and 11, and give the 4 straight to 96. Now the sum is simply 100 plus the 11 that's left over, which is 111. The same idea handles 75 plus 26. Lend 25 over to the 75 to make 100, then add the 1 that's left, and you get 101. That pairing really shines in a pile of numbers. 18 plus 28 plus 72. Don't just grind from the left, look for a pair that makes a round 100 first. 28 and 72 do exactly that. So it's 18 plus 100, 118. It works even in a longer line. 43, 56, 17, 24. Pair 43 with 17 for 60, 56 with 24 for 80. 60 plus 80 is 140. What if the numbers are all the same and just short of round? 28 plus 28 plus 28. Round every 28 up to a tidy 30. 3 30s is 90, but each of those jumps quietly added 2, and 3 jumps together added 6 too many. So take 6 off. 90 minus 6 is 84. Push it further. 99 plus 98, plus 97 plus 96 plus 95. Call them all 100, 500s. Then subtract the overshoots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 15. 500 minus 15 is 485. Now back to that column from the very start. 23, 2019, 22, 18, 21. Every one of them sits close to 20, so pretend for a moment that all 6 are exactly 20. 20 times 6 is 120. That's your one easy step. Now patch each little difference. 23 is 3 over, 19 1 under, 22 2 over, 18 2 under, 21 1 over. Those bits add to plus 3. 120 plus 3 is 123. No carrying. Here's a genuinely pretty case. 102, 199, 101, 98. All of them hugging 100. Base times count comes first. 100 times 5 is 500, and now you only have the tiny leftovers to deal with. Now the patches. Plus 2, nothing. Minus 1, plus 1, minus 2. Watch them pair off. Plus 2 with minus 2, plus 1 with minus 1. They all cancel to 0. So the answer is just 500. Why does patching always land on the exact answer? Because every number is really the base plus a small difference. 23 is 20 plus 3. 19 is 20 minus 1. When you add the bases together and the differences together, you've simply regrouped the same sum. Nothing was thrown away. So this isn't an estimate that gets you close. It's the true total, just reached by an easier road. The base handles the big, round part. The little differences handle the rest. Split the work, and both halves are simple. The very same habit works when you're taking away. 82 minus 49. 49 is almost 50, only one short of it. So take away around 50 instead of the awkward 49. 82 minus 50 is 32. But watch the correction flip direction, taking away a whole 50, removed one more than you actually meant to. So this time you add the 1 back, you don't subtract it. 32 plus 1 is 33. When you subtract, round the amount up, then give 1 back. It even reaches into multiplication. 7 times 9. Remember that 9 is just 1 short of 10, so think of 10 sevens instead of 9 of them. 10 sevens is 70, but that's 1 extra 7 in the pile, so take a single 7 back. 70 minus 7 is 63. 99 works the same. 34 times 99. 99 is 1 short of 100, so start with 134s, which is 3,400. Then take 134 back. 3,400 minus 34 is 3,366. Now step back and look at everything we did. Adding 9, adding 98, a pile that pairs to 100, a whole column near 20, a subtraction, and a times 9. On the surface they look different. Underneath, every single one was the same move. Round to a nearby base. Do the easy operation. Then correct by the little bit you changed. If you rounded up while adding, give it back. If you took away too much, add it back. The base does the heavy lifting. Your turn. 9 plus 99 plus 999. Every one of these is just short of a round number. Snap each of them up. Pause here and try it. 9 becomes 10, 99 becomes 100, and 999 becomes 1,000. 10 plus 100 plus 1,000 is 1,110. You rounded up 3 separate times, adding 1 each time, so take 3 back. 1,107. Next one, and this time it's a subtraction, so stay alert. 74 minus 29. The move is the same, but remember the correction flips direction. Round the number you're taking away up to something friendly, then adjust, pause here and work it through. 29 rounds up to 30. 74 minus 30 is 44. But 30 took one more than 29 would, so add that one back. 44 plus 1 is 45. Last one, and it's a multiplication. 25 times 9. Lean on the fact that 9 of anything is 10 of them, with 1 copy taken away. Set it up that way in your head. Pause and give it a go. 10 25s is 250. That's 1 extra 25, so take 125 off. 250 minus 25 is 225. Round, then adjust, every time. You'll meet this everywhere prices end in 9. A tag that reads £9.99 is really 1 penny under £10. Buy 3 of them and the total is £30, less 3 pennies, which is £29.97. You just rounded and corrected without noticing. It's also how you sanity check any total in a hurry. Round each number to something easy, add those, then nudge for the differences. If your quick estimate and your careful answer are miles apart, you know to look again. Rounding and correcting is everyday mental arithmetic. So don't wrestle a hard number head-on. Find the round number sitting right next door. Do the easy operation there. Then undo the small bit you changed, adding it back or taking it off. Snap to a base, then correct, and the hard part is already behind you. That's all for this video.